First we install automatic 1111 to let us interact with the whole thing. Go to the GitHub. You want to click on this code button, copy this GitHub URL, which we will use later. Scroll down to the installation instructions and look for the word Python to see what version of it we need to install. Next, search for Python, go to the Python website, go to downloads, look at all releases, download the version recommended by the instructions from earlier, download an installer. Start the installation and choose the default install option, but make sure you choose the option for add to path. Now that we've installed Python to run the software, we now need Git to get the software. Go to the Git website, download their latest release. The default options chosen by the installer should be fine. Next, open up your start menu, search for command prompt, open it up and type git clone and paste the GitHub URL that you copied earlier. This will download the stuff you need for stable diffusion. Next, open up the folder where you downloaded the stable diffusion. This will usually be in your user/username directory. Double click on webui-user.bat. This will start downloading and installing a bunch of stuff. Once it's done, you'll see a message like this. A beginner model I recommend is anything 3.0, which you can download from places like Hugging Face. Usually there's a Files tab. Look for files ending in either safe tensors or CKPT. Safe tensor files are safer than CKPT files. Once that's downloaded, go back to your Stable Diffusion installation directory, go into Models, Stable Diffusion, and put it in here. Now go back out and double click on Web UI User again. This should now load all the way and then say it's running on local URL blah blah blah. Copy this link by selecting it and right-clicking, open up your browser and paste it in, and here it is. Type in any prompt you want, hit generate, and here's your first image. Now this is just a very basic start, so please check out my other videos if you want to learn how to make much better images.